Hey friends, if you wish to block or allow keyboard or mouse to wake the computer, then please watch this video. But here's one thing, you may or may not have this option. Nonetheless, it's good enough to check. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Expand the list for keyboard. Right click on the keyboard. Select Properties. Now you don't get the Power Options tab here, so you don't have this option for this specific keyboard. And as for mouse, right click on it, select properties, go to power management. There is an option called allow this device to wake the computer. If it is checked, it is enabled. If it is unchecked, then it is disabled. Similarly with the touchpad drivers, okay, allow this device to wake the computer. I can disable it or enable it, whatever you prefer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.